Hello everyone, this is me Uzma Jahoor, the student of the Modern English Language and Computer Center. Today I have a great chance to talk about the journey of a life from zero to the acme of a success. People think that success comes overnight, but success never comes overnight. We have to struggle for it. We have to start from the zero. Most of the people think that success belongs to those who are rich, who are talented, who are lucky, but it's not the reality. The reality that sometimes the ordinary people achieve extraordinary success. Why they achieve? First, let me talk about the success, that how people reach to the acme of the success. So, success, I told you that the success never ever come overnight. It's the journey of responsibilities, the journey of hard working, the journey of be disciplined, the journey of how to believe on yourself, how to work with a confidence. We think that success is very easy, but if you want to be a successful person in your life, so just follow these qualities. If you start from the zero, you can reach to the acme of the success, but if you have these qualities. Now come to the second point, that why people face failure, why they get failed, and why they don't try one other time. So the reason that they don't believe on themselves, they just quit the success. They just think that failure is not, they don't believe that the failure is the part of success. If they believe that yes, failure is the part of success, so they will never ever quit the success. The person who are lazy, who are not serious about their goal, they have no clear vision, no clear goal, they can never ever reach to the acme of the success. So I mean that the whole meaning of this graph, it's here, that the person, the B means bird and the D means that, but in the middle is a C. So the C means choice. The choice is in your hand, that if you take a good step, it means if you choose something right, it means that you made your life, you change your whole life. But if you choose something wrong, it means that you devastate your whole life. Just take the example of Elon Musk. When he was trying to launch a rocket, he failed 3 times. He wasted so many money, but he never gave up. And because of that, never gave up. Now he is one of the powerful personality, one of the most powerful personality in this world. Everyone know about him. So it means that success never ever comes easily. We have to work hard. We have to learn from the mistake. We have to learn from the failure. So please believe in yourself, work consistently and work with a confidence, because we cannot reach